Hello everyone, and hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for another Get Ready With Me series, and hope you guys like it. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell and also the like button. So to begin with, I'm going to start by using my PIXI Rose Oil Blend because in winters my skin tends to feel a little drier than what used to feel before. This is my absolutely new favorite CC cream by It Cosmetics, and it is a very lightweight kind of tinted moisturizer with lots of skin benefits in it. So I love it even more for that. Using my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend everything into my skin so that everything is evened out and there are no harsh lines. Then set my face with a compact powder, do a little bit of contouring so that my skin is looking a lot healthier and fresh and not just one color. For contouring, I'm using my trusty Maybelline Master Contour Palette. Make sure to check the description box below so that you can find all the products used along with the links there. Using the brow pencil by Sugar, I'm just going to brush them a little bit and then fill them so that my brows are looking a lot fuller and thicker. Now moving on to the eyes, I am just going to use my kajal pencil from Chambor and apply it as close to my eyelashes and then smudge it with my fingers. Then using my Fortune Favors the Bold eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, I am using this matte green eyeshadow and applying it over the smudged kajal, and then I'm going to blend it with my blending brush using the little bit of brown eyeshadow in the crease area so that everything is blended and looks proper and even and neat. I'm applying a little bit of that brown eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Now taking that khaki green shimmer eyeshadow on my finger, I'm just going to place that in the center of my eyelids. Curl my eyelashes and then apply a mascara without forgetting to apply the mascara on my lower lash line. And the one I'm using is from Maybelline, the waterproof mascara. For lipsticks, I'm going to use a combination of the two. One is from Chambor, which is red in color, and second one is the Blush Velvet, which is from Lakme, that is 9 to 5. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to use my flat iron from Truman. I generally do not section my hair. I just pick up random chunks of my hair and then pass my flat iron just once or twice, not more than that. This is how I straighten my hair and try to look a little more decent and pulled together. I have never used a bright or a variety of eyeshadow colors before, so I thought why not give it a try. And it looked really nice, and I enjoyed filming this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and check out my last two videos as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.